Hey there, innovative job seekers. I'm Julia, your AI learning guide. Today we're upgrading your persona brand without a studio, without a stylist, and without draining your wallet, using two amazing AI tools, BetterPick and Aragon AI. Two exceptional means to generate high-quality and pro-level headshots in under an hour. Let's see which one fits your job search style and how to use them like a pro. Here's the deal. Recruiters are skimming through a sea of profiles. Your headshot is your digital handshake, the first image their brain processes in milliseconds. If your photo screams, low-res, bad lighting, or cropped group photo from 2014, they'll scroll on. But a sharp, confident, on-brand headshot that's magnetic and professional will win the moment. Today, we're diving deep into two of the fastest, most accessible tools to make that happen, BetterPick and Aragon AI. Quick shout out, these tools and a whole arsenal of AI career boosters are featured in the Amazon best-selling book, Future-Proof Your Skills in the Age of Disruption, AI and Robots by Yusuf Wilson. If you want the big picture strategy, not just the tools, that book is your field guide to thriving when everyone else is guessing. So what do BetterPick and Aragon AI actually do? You upload a handful of selfies, think 8 to 15 shots from different angles, with decent lighting. The AI studies them and generates dozens of professional portraits, different poses, backgrounds, styles, no ring light, no DSLR, no waiting 2 weeks for edits. Just fast, affordable, and when done right, legit enough to sit on your LinkedIn, portfolio, or keynote flyer. Let's examine BetterPick first. BetterPick is all about speed and simplicity. You drag and drop your selfies. Pick a style category like corporate, professional, or casual clean, and let it rip. Within 30 to 60 minutes, you get a folder of finished headshots, usually around 40 to 60 images. Typical vibe, bright, clean, LinkedIn friendly. For job seekers who want something professional without fuss. Strengths. Super quick turnaround, easy onboarding, minimal learning curve, low cost compared to traditional photographers. Styles optimized for standard business headshots. How to optimize your pro-level pics. Use less dramatic lighting or cinematic flare pics for your upload samples. Input photos with good lighting, no heavy filters, varied angles. This will maximize your brand enhancing and LinkedIn impressive image and headshots. Next up is equally amazing AI pro-level headshot tool, Aragon AI. Aragon AI comes in hot with more stylistic variety. Besides classic corporate shots, you can get fashion mag vibes, cinematic depth of field, even brand-specific color tones. They cater to creators, consultants, and speakers who want something that pops with personality. Strengths. Versatile styles from buttoned-up professional to bold and stylish. Great for personal brand storytelling and multi-platform content. Strong control over final look and format, square, portrait, or banner friendly. Slightly steeper price than BetterPick if you go all in on style bundles. You can choose from an array of custom clothing styles, professional, leisure, or formal. If your goal is a clean LinkedIn refresh and you want it now, BetterPick is a win. If you're a thought leader, coach, or creative professional who needs variety for your website, coarse thumbnails and keynote slides, Aragon AI might be your hero. Many job seekers actually use both, BetterPick for the resume and LinkedIn, Aragon for the personal brand content that lives beyond the job search. Your results are only as good as your inputs, so here are 5 PRO hacks to improve your results with both AI tools. 1. Use natural light. Face a window. No harsh shadows. 2. Avoid funky filters. You want your skin tone real, not smoothed into oblivion. 3. Include different angles, straight on, 45 degrees, slight head tilt. 4. Keep backgrounds simple to make the AI's job easier. 5. Wear a couple of different outfits in the photos. Variety in source shots equals variety in output. Alright, innovators, here's the key takeaways from our journey today. BetterPick gets you professional, polished headshots fast. Aragon AI gives you creative flexibility and personal brand storytelling that pops. Both are game changers for any job seeker ready to stand out, and you'll find the links to both of these amazing AI tools in the description below. Remember, it's all about quality inputs. Good light, multiple angles, simple backgrounds, and real expressions. Follow these tips and you'll have headshots that command attention, get noticed, and open doors. Keep learning, keep refining, and keep showing up for your career. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube page for more AI and career tips, and share these strategies with others so they can level up too. I'm Julia, your AI learning guide. Signing off with one last reminder, your digital handshake can make all the difference. Make it unforgettable and go shine.